I think when you look at the National League West now, you still would say the Dodgers are probably favorites. I think that has to be the case, even with all the changes in Los Angeles. But for second place, the Giants and Padres, probably a coin toss right now. Both teams have some unknowns we don't know about. Matt Kemp's recovery. Is Josh Johnson going to be healthy? And how do the Giants go about replacing Pablo Sandoval? How healthy is Matt Cain? Will the workload of Madison Bumgarner hurt him in any way this year? But another key factor is how good is Colorado and Arizona going to be? I think you might look at them and say this is going to be 2 of the 5 worst teams in baseball. That's important for the Padres because it positions the Padres to get a wild card spot. Where you look at the National League Central, very even division top to bottom. And you look at the National League East, the Phillies probably aren't going to be very good. The Braves we don't know about. So the real fighting and clawing is going to be maybe for those 2 wild card spots. But when you look at it again, there's a new power structure, and you can't talk about favorites in the National League West. The Padres are going to be in every conversation, and that tells you how far they've come in one off season.